Last year, we created the Caesar Aura Scanner, our second campaign on Indiegogo, and you loved it. We created a community of over 20,000 backers and 150,000 users around the world. And we scanned everything. Now we're back with a scanner like you've never seen before. This is the Caesar Shine Ultra. Our new, super portable, adjustable scanner with our most advanced tech yet. With 13 full-sized megapixels and 340 dpi, which means you get superior quality scans every time. The Caesar Shine Ultra features the patented curve flattened technology, which means you can scan anything and it will give you absolutely flat scans, with colors that are more vivid than ever before. But where the Caesar Shine really shines is how it makes scanning simple. It's completely powered by your laptop, so no extra cables needed. It recognizes more than 180 languages. It's super fast, whether you need to scan one document or 100. With the blazing speed of scanning one page each second. And it's super portable. Carry it with you in your backpack and you have the power to scan on the go anywhere. And the Caesar Shine is also capable of recording video while scanning, so you can use it in your presentations. And the adjustable height ensures that you catch the smallest details. We've worked hard on perfecting the most portable and advanced scanner yet. Back us and be the first to enjoy the Caesar Shine Ultra.
We could fight plastic waste with the power of a bottle. It's called Rebo, and it's the first bottle that cleans the planet as you drink. One Rebo drunk, one plastic bottle collected. As simple as that. Rebo is a smart bottle equipped with a laser time-of-flight sensor and a Bluetooth transmitter that measures and sends the water you drink to the Rebo. The app captures the information and records it into the blockchain, transforming it into green credits that sponsor the collection of plastic bottles. Every minute, more than 1 million plastic bottles are consumed worldwide. Every time you choose to refill your Rebo bottle, you're choosing not to generate more plastic waste. But most importantly, every time you drink from Rebo, we will collect one plastic bottle polluting our environment. The Rebo app will show you the plastic bottles that are being collected thanks to you. And there is more to Rebo. It tracks the water you drink and builds a customized hydration plan according to your lifestyle. The bottle reminds you to stay hydrated by lighting up. It's equipped with a unique one-hand push cap and keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours and hot for 12, because it's made of the best stainless steel that we could find. Fellow citizens of planet Earth, we are running out of time. If we don't act now, by 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in our oceans. Today, you can help make Rebo a reality and make a difference. If we join forces, we can and will win the battle against plastic waste. Rebo, the first bottle that cleans the planet as you drink.
Have you ever had unexpected guests and not being able to serve them a chilled drink?
Oh no!
Introducing the InnoChiller, the portable drink chiller. Whether your guests are in the mood for a cold beer or a chilled glass of wine, the InnoChiller can have it ready in no time. There's nothing worse than a warm beer on a hot summer day. Maybe your wife forgot to fill up the fridge, or you simply ran out of cold ones. No worries. Use the InnoChiller to quickly cool down your beverages. It holds up to 6 standard beer cans, fits all freezers, and it's jolly easy to use. What about the special celebration that requires the champagne you never keep in your fridge? Fear not. The InnoChiller's compartment is big enough for that too. It'll even make a tray of ice cubes for your drinks with the optimized ice cube tray, which is included of course. The InnoChiller works by utilizing the effect of wind chill, which is the same effect as you get when you walk outside on a cold and windy day. This effect is ensured by using forced convection through the InnoChiller compartment by the means of a fan which creates super high airspeed. No matter what you intend to use the InnoChiller for, it's easy and fast to set up, simply by choosing your preferred program. After placing beverages or food in the InnoChiller, you simply put it in your freezer and press the start button. The powerful fan will increase the heat transfer coefficient and speed up the cooling process. After a short while, an alarm will sound and the fan will stop, and hooray, the celebrations can begin. Facts: 3 cans program, 9 minutes. 6 cans program, 12 minutes. Wine program, 11 minutes. Ice cubes, 30 minutes. The InnoChiller is made from the very best components, including a powerful blower and batteries with the highest capacity available. This ensures a high-quality product that will never let you down. Even if the batteries are flat, the chiller can run directly from the power supply. Bring the InnoChiller to the table with its marvelous Scandinavian design while you enjoy a chilled drink with your friends.
Modius Sleep is really simple to use. First, use an alcohol wipe to clean the skin on the hard bony area behind both ears. Then remove the protective plastic cover from the gel pads before sticking them to the clean skin, making sure you avoid any hair strands getting stuck to the pads. Next, place Modius on your head with the power button above your right ear and clip the cables into the gel pads. Turn Modius on by holding down the power button for 2 seconds. Pair Modius with your phone and control your headset using the app. Use Modius Sleep for 30 minutes before bed every day, and that's it. Simple.
Arlo Smart Home security products protect your home with wire-free HD weatherproof cameras. The new Arlo Pro 2 camera gives you all the benefits of the Arlo wire-free camera line, like excellent battery life and free cloud recordings, but with added features and flexibility. Arlo Pro 2 cameras monitor and record video in 1080p resolution, delivering crisp HD video that lets you zoom in with more detail while still maintaining great battery life. Want to see more? Just pinch to zoom in the Arlo app to highlight an area with incredible clarity. You can use Arlo Pro 2 wire-free cameras indoors, or you can take advantage of its weatherproof design and flexible power options like the Arlo solar panel to use it outdoors. When you plug your Arlo Pro 2 camera directly into an indoor or weather-protected outdoor power outlet using the optional Arlo outdoor power adapter, you unlock a host of additional features. When it's plugged in, Arlo Pro 2 detects motion even faster by using the Look Back feature. Look Back processes and records captured video from moments before motion activity is detected. This creates a continuous recording with a few seconds of footage before the triggered event, giving you a complete picture of what happened. If you want to create a custom activity zone, plug the Arlo Pro 2 into an outlet and select the specific zones you want to monitor inside the app. You'll get notifications about any activity in that zone directly on your phone. When the Arlo Pro 2 is plugged in, you can subscribe to the Arlo CVR paid plan, which provides continuous 24/7 video, ensuring you never miss a moment. As a seamless part of your smart home experience, Arlo Pro 2 works with Amazon Alexa devices. Using your voice, you can ask Alexa to play a live stream of your cameras through the Amazon Echo Show or Fire TV that's connected to your big screen TV. For example, if you're busy and someone knocks on your door, Alexa, show me the front door camera. The Arlo Pro 2 camera instantly plays a live video feed on your Echo Show screen or TV, giving you a full view of what's going on in real time. Arlo Pro 2 is the convenient, easy-to-use home HD security camera that can be used wire-free or plugged in while providing smart features and crisp HD video.